With uninterrupted views right on your doorstep and positioned on a private gated road on the outskirts of Thurgarton NG14, this property offers great access for town, also Southwell. I'm Anthony Taylor and this is Hill Farm Cottage. A large gated driveway provides ample off-street parking and leads you to the entrance at the side of the property. Spacious reception hallway acts as the spine to the property, providing access to all the main reception areas. And how about this for a living kitchen? It's beautifully appointed. We have an extensive range of preparation surfaces with cabinetry beneath. I love the focal point of the range cooker, the views over the surrounding countryside. There's ample space in here for a dining table, allowing this space to function really as a living seating area. There's a bifold door and that connects out onto this extensive paved patio area, perfect for alfresco dining or relaxing. There is underfloor heating throughout this space and throughout the entire ground floor. And one thing to note is that all the appliances in the kitchen are brand new. They've even still got the stickers on. Now stepping outside, back onto the terrace, there is a back door which leads into the reception hallway that provides convenient access to the utility room, a really well positioned and proportioned study and a guest cloakroom, and then finally completing the ground floor is this well proportioned sitting room. It has the feature of this wood burning stove and it has fantastic views over the surrounding countryside. So the first floor are three large double bedrooms, each having their unique feature and aspect. In particular, the principal bedroom continues with those stunning views over the surrounding countryside. And although we don't have an ensuite, we do have a beautifully appointed bathroom and shower room to either side of the property, adding to that versatility. Now stepping outside, we have an extensive lawn garden. It's got a bit of everything in it. We've got wooded areas, we're enclosed by established hedging, we've got perfect light overarching throughout the entire day. It's the ideal blank canvas, perfect from the keen gardener to the family or pets. So that's Hill Farm Cottage, a beautifully appointed property with still great potential both inside and also within the garden plot, topped off with this uninterrupted access to the surrounding countryside. If you have any questions or you'd like to arrange a viewing, then please get in touch with me on the details that follow.